How to delete your account on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your account on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, go to For You page and click on those three lines up there, and here click on Settings, and you're gonna find account, which is the first option. Click on it and you have the second option, which is delete account. Now wait for a second, and now to continue you have to verify your linked account, and click on verify and continue, and follow the steps to delete your account on Likee app easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.